Do 3, number 5, parts B through F. So let's do B first. This is P of 6, 5. So the format again is 6 factorial, right? Take this number factorial over 6 minus 5 factorial, right? And that's going to be 6 times 5, I'm not going to write it all out this time, times 1 all over 6 minus 5 is 1, so 1 factorial, right? And so you're just going to end up with 1 factorial is 1. 6 factorial over 1. So that's just 6 factorial. And 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that's just 6 times 20 times 6, which is 120 times 6, which is equal to 720. And that's part B. Part C, P of 8, 1 is 8 factorial. Remember taking this number and this number here, I'll put it on top, all over 8 minus 1 factorial, which is 8 factorial over 7 factorial. And so that's going to be 8 times 7 times, all the way to 1. And this is 7 times 6 times 5, all the way to 1. And we're going to cancel the 1s, cancel the 2s, cancel the 3s, cancel the 4s, cancel the 5s, cancel the 6s, cancel the 7s. And so what you're left with is 8. Let's do numero 5, what is it, 5D? It's great D. P of 8, 5. 8. Oh god. Whatever. That's an 8. 5. So you're going to do 8 factorial over 8 minus 5 factorial, which is 8 factorial over 3 factorial, which is 8 times 7 to 4. Right, and so 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 is, let's see if we can do some simple, times 5 times 4 is 20 times 42. Oh, that's not going to be easy at all. Yeah, let's just do this on a calculator. 8 times 7, 6 times 5 times 4, 6, 7, 20. 6,720 is your answer. Let's do part E. P of 8, 8. Right, and so what are you going to do for this? Well, you're just going to do 8 factorial over 8 minus 8 factorial. And there's a little definition in math that says that 0 factorial is equal to 1. So this, if 0 factorial is equal to 1, this is just 8 factorial over 1. And 8 factorial is equal to 40,320. I really should be checking my answers, but whatever. We'll check them after. P of 10, 9 is just going to be 10 factorial over 10 minus 9 factorial, and so you're just going to get 10 factorial over 1 factorial, which is just going to be 10 factorial, and 10 factorial is a large number. Let me just do the whole thing on a calculator really fast, because I probably made an algebra error somewhere in here. 6, 4 times 3 is 2, and that is equal to 362,8800. 3,628,800. And all those should be right. You guys can double check in the back, but the format is right. The algebra in calculation of all these answers down here, I may have been wrong. So you guys should double check the algebra and check with the back of the book, make sure they're all right.